Hello students, welcome in science video. Today you will learn lesson number 13, light and shadow. Dear students, we cannot see in dark. Are you able to see now? No, we need light to see things. We can see things clearly in bright light. The sun is the main source of light. Sun is the natural source, we can say, of the light. Other form of natural light are other stars and moon. Stars provides very less amount of light at night because they are very far from the earth compared to sun. Moon, especially full moon, provides light at night, but light from the moon is just light reflected from the sun. Dear students, do you know some animals, or we can say insects, emit their own light? Which are they? Yes, fireflies, glowworms, and some kind of the fishes also, which are living in a deep sea. Okay. Sun is main source of light. The light comes to us through sun rays. Sunlight makes the day bright. It helps us to see things around us. Do you know light is form of energy, and it is very important in all aspects of our lives. In the absence of light, plants would not be able to grow as they require sunlight to prepare their food. In absence of plants, animals and humans would not have to eat anything. We see with our eyes, but we cannot see things when there is no light. Okay. The day ends with sunset. It is dark at night. In dark, we get light from electric bulbs, lamps, tubes, torches, burning candles, lanterns, etc. Shadow. Go out in open and look around. You will see several objects such as plants, animals, poles, vehicles, etc. Stand with your face towards the sun. Now look at your back. You will see the dark form on the ground. This form will just like your body. Look here. In the image you can see, but its size will be different. This dark form is your shadow. Look here, the girl is standing in sun and her shadow is here. Can you see the cursor? Here is the shadow of the girl. Now look about every object has a shadow of its own. Look here, tree has its shadow. This bench is here with shadow. Pole is here with shadow. Even this basketball pole is also having a shadow. So we see that things cast shadows in light. Formation of a shadow. 3 things are needed to form a shadow. Which are they? First one, object. Second, source of light. Third, surface. These three things are essential to make a shadow. Shadow बनाने के लिए these three things are important. First, object. Second, source of light, surface. Now look this image. Here the girl is standing in sun. Sun is the source of light. The sun is the source of light. And the girl is the object. The girl is the object. And this ground, green grass, is the surface. Okay? When we see the shadow, when we see the shadow of a girl, the object is girl. Here object is girl and source of light is sun. Source of light is sun and the surface is ground. Now look at the shadow of the tree. When we see the shadow of a tree, the object is tree. Source of light is sun and surface is ground. Surface is ground. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. The shape also the shape of the shadow also depends on the shape of the object. Look here. Here is the torch. Okay. Shadow is formed to the opposite side of the source of light. And look, here is the shadow of teddy bear. You can see the teddy bear and the shadow of the teddy bear. Okay. So, shadow is of the teddy bear and teddy bear, the shape of shadow is also like a teddy bear. Dear students, the shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object. You can do this experiment with different things at home. आप टॉर्च लेकर इसे छोटे छोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करके देख सकते हैं. चीजें डिफरेंट थिंग्स अरेंज करके उनकी शैडो आप देख सकते हो. ओके. लेंथ ऑफ द शैडोज. शैडोज चेंज इन लेंथ and direction at different times of the day. Observe the shadows in the morning. They are fairly long, much longer than the objects. Look here, shadow in morning. Tree shadow in the morning. Here is a tree, shadow, time is morning. Shadow is in opposite direction of the light. Sun is here. So shadow is here and longer. You can see on your book the image of a girl is given. Shadow in the morning, longer. And now look, shadow at noon. Yes, look here, the shadow of a girl. It is shortest. It is shortest. And look, shadow of the girl in evening, again longer. But position, yes, shadows change in length and direction at different times. Okay. Now you can see here tree in noon time. Tree's shadow is shortest. Okay. And here now evening time. Yes, and now evening also shadow change the length. Now in evening shadow is longer. Shadow is longer than the in the morning. But the direction is changed. Why it is changed? Due to the sun rise in the morning in the direction of the east and sets in west. So the position of the shadow also change. Okay. Now what you all learn in this lesson? you need light to see things. You learn that we need light to see things. You learn sun is the main source of light. A shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. 3 things are needed for a shadow to form. First, object. Second, source of light. And third, surface. Shadow always fall on the opposite side of the source of light. Shadows change in length and direction at different time of day. Shadows are longer in morning and evening. Shadows are shortest at noon. Dear students, nothing travels faster than light. In olden days, people could tell the time by looking at the position of the shadows made by the sun. This is what you learn in this lesson. Now open page number 153. First, to solve worksheet 13. First question is filling the blanks. First fill up, we need light to see the things. Second fill up, the sun is the main source of light. Third, a shadow is a dark shape formed by an object when it blocks light. Fourth, the light travels through sun rays. Fifth, shadows change in length and direction at different times of the day. Next question, tick the right word. First one, the sun gives us light and heat. Tick here, sun. Second, the shadow of an object is formed on the opposite. Correct answer is opposite of the source of light. Opposite of the source of light. Next, shadows are long or short in the morning and evening? Shadows are long in the morning and evening. Tick long. Number third, tick long. Number fourth, shadows are longest or shortest at noon. Shadows are shortest. So tick shortest at noon. Now true or false. You have to write complete spelling of the true or false. First, shadows are always fall on the opposite side to the source of light. Answer is true. Second, shadows remain the same in length at different times of the day. False. They change the length and different time of the days. So second is false. Third, sunlight makes the day bright. True. Number fourth, things cast shadows in dark. Answer is false because light is needed. So write false. F-A-L-S-E. Next, fifth one, the shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object. True. Look at the trees and position of the sun. Draw the shadow for each tree. Now look, here is sun. So shadow should be opposite to the source of light and shadow should be longer. Here, now second position, sun is on the head and it is the noon time. So shadow should be short. Okay. And next, evening time, sun is here, the source of light. So opposite direction shadow, you have to draw and shade the shadow. You have to not only draw, but you are supposed to shade. As the shadow is dark in color, you are supposed to shade like this. You have to draw with pencil and shade. Okay. In this way. Now answer the following. First question, name 4 common sources of light. Electric bulbs, lamps, tubes and torches are 4 common sources of light. Second, what is a shadow? A dark area or shade produced by a body coming between rays of light and a surface is called a shadow. Third one, when is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. Number 4, at what time of the day the shadows are longer? The shadows are longer in the morning and evening. Next, last one, at what time of the day shadows are shortest? The shadows are shortest at noon. Dear students, you will receive a PDF in the group. Now we will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye.